YouTube channel. This is Vivian. I believe you or saw our preview some time ago, right? Our protagonist today is our Tumbler Heat Press. So let's unbox it. I really can't wait to try this machine. You can see these things in front of me. I have prepared 2 mugs, 2 sublimation glasses, a tumbler, and of course sublimation paper we printed. Okay, so let's start to sublimate mugs. We need to fix the papers with the patterns we have printed to fix on the mugs.
Firstly, we need to set temperature to 380 Fahrenheit and time to 360 seconds. I have fixed the sublimation paper on the mugs, and now we need to put the mugs all into this tumbler heat press. And then we need to click the button. Okay, now the only thing we need to do is just waiting. Wow, you can look at the finished product, it's so gorgeous. Okay, now we can deal with our glasses and tumblers. We need to use some little paper with some patterns and to cover the items we want to sublimate. Just like here. Let me take it out and feel it. Just wait. I think I need a scissor. Because the glasses outside is still very hot, so I need to be patient to peel it. I can find the effect on the sublimation. Our mug is so gorgeous, really hot. Be careful, really hot. Look, it's so perfect, right? You like it? Let me show you from this thing. Right. Then it's time to sublimate the tumbler. And we need to set temperature to 330 Fahrenheit and time to 330 seconds. Let me just pull it in and set setting. Just wait. Okay. And click it. Now it's waiting time. May I ask a question? What kind of cup you like to use most in summer? To be honest, I prefer, tumbler, because in the summer it's so hot, right? And I believe that everyone will love to drink the cold water. And our tumbler can keep a temperature of the lyric in a tumbler. So I think this one is really good. And I can use our sublimation paper to decorate our tumbler. So sublimation and paper and our tumbler will be my first choice. Okay, time is up. Let's take a look about this one. I need a scissor. actually 3D pattern design having the added pattern is still three-dimensional. In fact, let me have a look about this one. See the two colors? Wow! It's really so bright, this color on this tumbler. I really like it, I like the pattern. I like the pattern. Look! That's okay. Look, here. It's so gorgeous. Can you feel that? Now let's take a look at all our finished products. The diameter of tumbler press is 2.67 by 3.44 inches. As long as your sublimation substrate diameter does not exceed this range, then you can use our machine. But we also have a tip for you. When taking a call without handles like here, if you do not wear heat insulation gloves, your hand may touch a hot place, which is very dangerous. Please pay attention to it. It's really, really hot. Okay, so what other questions do you have for tumbler heat press? Let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time!